This is fourth chapter in Visual Basic. In this chapter I am going to explain the programming concepts. Programming concepts includes variables, data types, operators and control structures. Okay. In this class I am going to explain what is a variable and how to declare a variable in Visual Basic. So a variable is a name given to a space in memory to store a value. Okay, in the C language, in the last semester C language, we have already created variables, different types of variables. Okay, so what do you mean by a variable? A variable is a name of a memory location. It is a name of a memory location, or it is a name given to a space in the memory to store a value. Okay, so how to declare or how to create a variable? A variable can be declared with dim statement. A variable can be declared with dim statement. Dim stands dimension. Dim stands dimension. Okay, so dim variable. The syntax to declare a variable in Visual Basic is dim variable name as data type. Dim variable name as data type. So variable name is the name of a variable. Name of a variable. And the data type is the type of data which we are going to store in that variable. Dim is a keyword. The variable name, generally we give the variable names as we wish by following some rules. Okay, so and the data type is the type of data which we are going to store in that variable. Okay, so example is dim a comma b as integer. These two are the variables. A and b are two variables, a comma b. Dim dimension a comma b as the data type is integer. Okay, so what is a variable? A variable is a name. A variable is a name given to a space in memory to store a value, or in simple words, a variable is a name of a memory location. So how to declare a variable? So with the help of dim keyword we can create a variable in Visual Basic. The syntax is dim variable name as data type. Okay, so dim a comma b as integer. A and b are the variable names, as is a keyword. Okay, and integer is a data type. Okay, the above statement reserves two memory spaces and they are given the names of a comma b. They are given the names of a comma b. Variable, depending on its type, it can store a variety of data such as numerical, string, dates, etc. A variable can store different types of data. A variable can store different kinds of data such as numerical, string, dates, etc. VB allows more number of variable data types. VB allows more number of variable data types. Those are integer, long, single, double, string, date, boolean, etc. Okay, now let us see various data types provided in VB. Various data types provided in VB. So what do you mean by a data type? A data type determines the type of data a variable can hold. Data type determines the type of data that a variable can hold. Okay, so while declaring a variable we need to give the type of data which we are going to store in that variable. Okay, so if you want to store a number we need to declare a variable type as integer. If we need to store characters we need to declare a variable like string. Okay, so these are all the different data types provided in VB: byte, integer, long, single, double, currency. Okay, so byte data type stores 1 byte, that is 0 to 255 size of this variable, 0 to 255 characters of this variable. And integer 2 bytes whole number. Okay, the long 4 bytes, single 4 bytes, double 8 bytes, currency 8 bytes. Okay, these are all the different data types provided in VB. String, fixed length, string variable, date, boolean, object variant. Okay, so these are all different data types provided in VB. Okay, right, now I will explain how to declare a variable by opening this VB. Okay, right, Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0 and this one. Open. I'm taking this one command button here. I'm declaring a variable with a keyword dim a as integer. Okay, here I am declaring a variable of type integer, means it stores integer type of data, means it stores integer type of data. A is a name of the variable and dim is a keyword, as is also a keyword, and this integer is a data type. Okay, so here A is the name of the variable. What is the data type of this variable? Integer data type. So integer data type stores, see here, integer data type stores, integer data type store 2 bytes of data. It stores 2 bytes. 2 bytes means 16 bits. The range is -3 32 768 to plus 32 767. Like that we can create these kinds of data types: byte, integer, long, single, double, currency. If you want to store characters, okay, you can declare string data type, string pixel length, string variable length. Okay, you want to store date, okay, for that purpose date data type is available. That day it stores January to December 31st 999. The boolean to store true or false values, object to store any embedded object. Okay, variant, a variant data type stores any type of data. It stores any type of data. Okay, thank you.